S-70 Okhotnik, also known as Hunter in English, is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, being developed by the Russian defense industry. While much of the information about the capabilities of this aircraft is classified, there are some details available that suggest it is a highly sophisticated piece of military technology. The S-70 Okhotnik is designed to have a low radar signature, making it difficult for enemy air defenses to detect and track. It is also designed to be able to fly autonomously or be controlled remotely, giving it a high degree of flexibility and adaptability in different combat scenarios. The UCAV is believed to be capable of carrying a range of weapons, including missiles and bombs, and to have a maximum flight range of around 3,000 kilometers. In addition to its combat capabilities, the S-70 Okhotnik is also said to have advanced sensors and communication systems, including radar and electronic warfare equipment. It is designed to be able to operate in a networked environment, sharing data with other military assets such as aircraft, ground vehicles, and command centers. Overall, the S-70 Okhotnik is a highly sophisticated UCAV that represents the cutting edge of Russian military technology. While much remains unknown about the specific details of its capabilities, it is clear that it is designed to be a highly effective and versatile combat platform that can operate in a wide range of environments and scenarios. The specific details of the radar used in the S-70 Okhotnik drone are classified, and therefore not publicly available. However, it is known that the drone is designed to have a low radar signature, which suggests that it incorporates advanced radar-absorbing materials and other stealth technologies to reduce its detectability. It is also possible that the S-70 Okhotnik uses an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, which is a type of radar system that uses a large number of small, solid-state transmit/receive modules to create a highly precise and agile radar beam. AESA radars are often used in stealth aircraft because they can be designed to have a low probability of intercept, making them difficult for enemy radar systems to detect. In addition to radar, the S-70 Okhotnik is believed to be equipped with a range of other sensors, including electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, sensors to provide situational awareness and targeting capabilities. The drone is also designed to be able to operate as part of a networked system, sharing information with other military assets to improve situational awareness and coordination.